cinematic version of Colleen Hoover's 2016 book, It Ends With Us, has achieved considerable success, generating $351 million globally on a $25 million budget. The project has been eclipsed by a legal conflict between its principal actress, Blake Lively, and director Justin Baldoni. Background of the film It Ends With Us is a romantic drama that examines the intricacies of abusive relationships from the perspective of Lily Bloom, a woman ensnared in a poisonous and perilous relationship with Ryle Kincaid. Blake Lively portrays Lily, infusing the character with depth and emotional intricacy. Justin Baldoni, recognized for his performance in Jane the Virgin and his commitment to social justice, as Ryle, the charismatic but abusive romantic interest. The film explores themes of love, suffering, self-esteem, and the quest to escape an abusive relationship. The novel's devoted fans, together with the film's sensitive examination of challenging issues, facilitated its extensive success. The film's release received mostly favorable reviews from reviewers and spectators alike. The film received commendations for its sympathetic treatment of domestic abuse, while the performances of Lively and Baldoni were also commended. It emerged as one of the year's most significant box office successes, particularly for a film adapted from a modern romance book. Nonetheless, the film's popularity has been overshadowed by the intensifying legal conflict between Lively and Baldoni. Accusations and legal actions. The legal dispute between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni emerged in December 2024, when Lively submitted an official complaint to the California Civil Rights Department. Lively alleged in the complaint that Baldoni and the film's producer, Jamie Heath, cultivated a hostile work environment during the film's production. She asserted that Baldoni made inappropriate sexual remarks, violated personal boundaries, and exhibited conduct that rendered her uncomfortable and unsafe on set. Lively's allegations were grave, outlining a pattern of conduct that purportedly demonstrated a disregard for professional boundaries and individual autonomy. Lively additionally alleged that Baldoni and his team were orchestrating a smear campaign against her, intended to tarnish her public reputation and undermine her career. She asserted that these actions were retaliatory in response to her grievances about his conduct, which she alleges were disregarded by the production team. The accusations encompassed assertions of manipulation, harassment, and professional retaliation, which generated extensive media coverage. Baldoni filed a counterclaim in response to Lively's accusations, adding complexity to the situation. He initiated a $400 million lawsuit against Lively, her spouse Ryan Reynolds, and their publicist Leslie Sloan. Baldoni's legal counsel charged Lively and her associates with defamation, extortion, and interference with contractual relations. Baldoni's lawsuit claims that Lively's allegations were wholly contrived and constituted an effort to influence the production and obtain creative authority over the film. Baldoni's legal counsel contends that Lively's public remarks regarding the director were detrimental to his reputation and were articulated with the intention to inflict professional and personal harm. Moreover, they assert that Lively leveraged her influence to impose unreasonable demands during production, threatening to impede the film's progress unless her personal preferences were met. This legal drama has garnered significant media attention due to its involvement of prominent figures in the entertainment sector and its illustration of the conflicts that may emerge among creative professionals during a high-pressure production. The significant allegations of harassment, slander, and personal retribution have maintained media and public scrutiny on the legal procedures, eclipsing the film's box office performance and critical acclaim. Public and professional reactions. The legal conflict has ignited a firestorm of public opinion, with fans, critics, and industry professionals taking sides. Colleen Hoover, the author of the original novel, publicly expressed her support for Blake Lively, standing by her actress's portrayal of Lily Bloom and her commitment to the film. Hoover emphasized that Lively's performance had been integral to bringing the story's sensitive subject matter to life, and that she had shown exceptional professionalism in portraying such a complex character. Hoover's support of Lively was significant, given her prominence in the book's fan base, and many fans rallied behind the actress in response to the allegations. On the other hand, Justin Baldoni, who also served as a producer on the film, faced professional and public backlash. His legal team vehemently denied the allegations and defended his character, arguing that Lively's claims were without merit. However, the situation took a further knock when Baldoni's talent agency, WME, withdrew him as a client. This was a severe setback to his career, since WME had been one of the premier agencies in Hollywood, representing several A-list superstars. The agency's decision to terminate connections with Baldoni sent a striking message, implying that the legal fight was taking a toll on his professional image. Baldoni's affiliation with It Ends With Us has grown more contentious, and many members of the public started to worry if his career could weather the impact from the court challenges. Meanwhile, Lively's career has continued to prosper, with her followers demonstrating support and love for her honesty and coming out against what she regarded as impropriety. Implications for the film industry. The legal disagreement between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni illustrates numerous significant concerns within the entertainment business, especially when it comes to workplace behavior and the treatment of performers. The claims against Baldoni underline the necessity for rigorous respect for professional limits on set. Hollywood has always suffered with power inequalities between directors and performers, and this case calls attention to how such discrepancies may lead to toxic work situations. If an actor feels uncomfortable or harassed, it may not only damage the quality of their performance, but also have long-lasting consequences on their mental and emotional well-being. The scenario also underlines the significance of openness and responsibility within film productions. Allegations of harassment or misbehavior may have far-reaching ramifications, not just for the people involved, but also for the whole production. The reputations of directors, producers, and even the projects themselves may be harmed by charges of improper conduct, independent of the result of judicial processes. The film business is coming under investigation as a consequence of initiatives like the hashtag #MeToo, which have drawn attention to the frequency of harassment in the workplace. Moreover, the case raises problems regarding the influence of public relations in influencing narratives. Both factions in this conflict have used their publicists to influence public sentiment, highlighting the increasing significance of PR operations in the entertainment sector. In conclusion, the ongoing legal dispute between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni has emerged as a central topic for discourse around professional ethics, power dynamics, and workplace behavior in Hollywood. Despite its economic success, the legal controversies surrounding its creation have overshadowed the film's accomplishments. This case highlights the intricacies of professional relationships within the entertainment business and underscores the need for maintaining mutual respect and honesty, both on and off the set. The resolution of this legal conflict is expected to significantly influence Hollywood's future conduct on workplace behavior and accountability. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.